Friends, welcome to GNP classes. At GNP classes, you will find many courses of your interest. But I would request all students pursuing veterinary degrees anywhere around the world to kindly download our app and benefit from the free material that it contains. We have for you more than 112 PDFs which you can download, read and use for your benefit. We have more than 130 charts to explain the intricacies of many procedures, and we have more than 3 books which you can read for animal reproduction, veterinary gynecology, obstetrics, and then you will find many courses for your interest which you can join the course and even learn from our expert faculties. But I request all veterinary students around the world to join GNP classes app. Download the app and you will find a lot of free materials. Even the postgraduate students, they can find free materials for technical writing and communication skills, right? So welcome to GNP classes, and you can visit our website gnpsirclasses.com. You can visit our YouTube channel GNP Sir, and I welcome all of you to please kindly download the GNP Sir classes app. Anyone from any country outside India can also download the app and he can register through his email. Once he registers through his email, he can log into our app and he can use all our free materials. The iOS users or all those who want to use the laptop for our app, they can log in through the web.classplusapp.com and use our organization code ZTKBY. So we have gone global, and so I invite anyone and everyone from around the globe to join GNP classes. And even if you don't join any of our courses, you will I am confident that you will be much benefited from the free material that is available for your use. Welcome to GNP classes, and hope to see you in the app. Have a nice time. Bye bye.